This segment is sponsored by Easton Outdoors, and Micah Miller is the managing member. He joins us now with more. Micah, good to see you.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Good to have you back here on Patio 10. We love our space out here. And you have a job for us today that's really remarkable. It's got a little of everything. It's got the space that somebody can do just about anything. Tell us about this renovation.
That's right. So this is part of our Revamp recap series, talking about projects that we've done and spaces that we've gone into and revamped. In this particular one, he had a paver driveway, and this paver driveway was made up of 3 different types of pavers because it had been extended over the years. Hey, I need a little bit more space here, a little bit more space there. And this semi-new to them property, he wanted something that was just a little bit cleaner, a little bit more like cohesive, that fit the lifestyle that they were trying to have, which included wanting to be able to play basketball out on the patio, wanting to be able to park their cars, because the patio kind of, as you can see in these pictures, it just extends around to the back. He was really looking for a space that felt clean, didn't have like a lot of complications, but gave them the functionality of both their garage and being able to get in and out, the extra parking they were looking for, and also being able to play basketball from time to time.
That is a big space.
Yes, it's huge space. Yeah, it's like, I want to say it's like right around 1,400 square feet. So it's, I mean, you think about a 1,400 square foot house, right?
Yeah.
It's a decent amount of pavers.
You could pour concrete, but doing pavers is really...
Why would you do that?
Well, I know. Why would you do that, right? But I mean, what you've done there is you've added resale value to that house.
That's right. And given them a livable space. And as you can see, it extends a decent amount back. And then I tucked that fire pit right back into that corner. And they are talking about outdoor kitchens and things in the future and wanting to do some other things as that space develops and matures.
And yeah, you can definitely add on to it. Talk about the process, the timeline, and how long did it take?
Yeah, so this entire project was 8 days. We were able to use a little bit larger equipment than we can use on some other jobs because we were right off the driveway. So it took us 8 days to go in there, and we had to build a support wall. So on the back of the property, it fell off about 20 inches. So I had to build a 3-course support wall so that these pavers can stay perfectly level and make that yard usable. All of that is backfilled with 57 stone, and 57 stone is like a clean stone that's maybe, you know, about the size of a quarter, a little bit bigger. And the reason we use that is that packs really tight and then it doesn't settle. A lot of times I see like a retaining wall backfilled with soil. It ends up settling, having issues in the future, especially considering this was going to be a driveway. We didn't want any of that, so this is all backfilled with stone.
This is a custom job.
Absolutely.
All of your jobs are custom jobs.
Yeah, of course. I want to know what people want, and then we take that, we put it on paper, and then we just make it happen.
Okay, so we're going to pop up a QR code on the screen right now. You can point your smartphone out to get more information, find some inspiration, and starting your job today. It is now a good time for people to maybe find that inspiration and maybe make changes in their backyard.
It is. I mean, every time of year is good except for the dead of winter. That's the only time I don't like. But I find that during the middle of summer, the hottest part of summer, a lot of people want to be inside anyway. We don't mind. We're out in the heat all year round. We really don't mind. So it's a good time for us to get in there, get it set, and get it ready for fall right now. You know, we're scheduling an August time frame. So it's really good time for us to get in, get out, just in time for you to grow your grass, and get out there when the temperature starts to cool off.
Well, I mean, you know, you get home from work in the evening. It's a great time to hang outside with family and friends. You're grilling, your outdoor kitchen, you know, weekends in the evening.
You don't have to sell me.
I know. It's all about life outdoors with you. And we love our scene out here on Patio 10. If this is something you're looking forward to, we know the right people for you. It would be Micah Miller and Easton Outdoors. Thank you as always for joining here on HRS.
Absolutely.
This segment of the Hampton Roadshow is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They are located at 550 With Creek Road in Poquoson. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.